Nepalganj Road Railway Station. Nepalganj Road Railway Station. Nepalganj is in Nepal, almost near to Delhi, Lucknow, and so on. It is in western part of Nepal, Nepalganj. Nepalganj, just 3-4 kilometer. Udhar say about 15 kilometer to Kolpur, Mahendra Highway, East-West Railway. So railway के बारे में 943 kilometer. So from here about 15 kilometer to link with the East-West Railway. Similarly, Buddha ka birthplace, that is Janakpur. No, Lumbini. Udhar Lumbini International Airport railway station is Indian railway station Nautanava. Udhar se just 16 kilometer only. Similarly, Raxol, then NJP, West Bengal area, Bihar area, then their side, that is Uttarakhand. There is also railway station aisa. So many railway stations are aisa. So Nepal में no rail, only thoda train to Sita Devi का birthplace Janakpur. That is in Bihar. Bihar का chief minister का अम्मा is a Nepali. Bihar का chief minister का अम्मा is a Nepali. Bihar chief minister का अम्मा is a Nepali. So there is only some train. So UP will be happy. UP, so 200 kilometer aisa. India, Japan, China, America, aisa Nepal mein within 5 years east-west railway is possible. That is very urgent. If Nepal was a part of India or China, these three will be a reality minimum 25 years back. So Nepal akela mushkil hai. So Nepal is a very big country, but Nepal is a nacha country, but they need the railway station is here. Nepal ka railway station kitna jaldi repairing there was there, now train is there. Then similarly India mein even the below the Howrah bridge metro is started. So 2 months back I went there. Then there is lot of scope for metro because Kathmandu pollution can be highly reduced. The pollution level can be reduced to minimum 10th position with a metro. That is an urgent need of Kathmandu. So that metro will be the first metro of Nepal. So India के लिए 14 kilometers कुछ नहीं, China के लिए कुछ नहीं because the road is by China. Only 28 kilometers. Then East-West Railways. East-West Railway about 940 kilometers only. So India is spending more than about 4,000 crore for Bhutan Railway. Similarly, in West Bengal area, in Assam area, 4,000-6,000 crore. So Nepal के लिए India can spend थोड़ा only, इतना नहीं चाहिए. Just 200 kilometer के लिए कितना चाहिए. Then metro के लिए. So India is always happy to help Nepal. I am sure Modi ji will do all these things. India 140 crore Indians will be happy to help 3 crore Nepalis. 140 crore Indians happy to help Nepal to start metro, Nepal to start railway. So Nepal transport, students' education, everything will be improved. Revolution will be there with the rail metro. So February 19 rail metro revolution के बारे में, September 9 agriculture revolution के बारे में. So 6 areas of revolution is needed for Nepal. So these 6 programs in 2026. So there's a Rupedia bus stand. We can see that it is the bus stand. So from here, lot of buses, Anand Vihar, Delhi. Lot of buses are there. Lucknow also near. Delhi also near. So this is the western part of Nepal. So 140 crore Indians will help for rail and metro for 3 crore Nepalis.